Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find the items for the submarine and how you can build it. So talk to this guy here and press talk. And then I'm just going to skip this. Da 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 da. Okay. And he's going to give me a drill. So open up your backpack and search for the drill and open it. Then you're going to go up here. If I can just go up from here. There we go. And you're going to drill these rocks for these parts. So there is the windows, submarine top, side fins, middle panels, etc. So I'm just going to press on the rock with my mouse here. Like so. Okay, metal panels. I'm just going to go back because I feel like it's going to take a long time if I show you how to find all the parts. You just have to drill. So get your metal panel in your backpack. Carry it and press E to place the part. Then obviously you'll need to find the windows, submarine top, side fins, and back fins to complete it. And that's how you can build the submarine so you can go to the Mariana's veil. To go in the veil, you're going to go down here and you're going to use your submarine to go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.